Good morning, students. I am Dr. Dharmendra Ben. Today I will discuss about angle of intersection of two curves. So, first semester BSc, so Mathematics, University of Mysore. The session is 45. Let's discuss the terms of it's under the differential calculus 1. It's angle of intersection of two curves. Unit 4. So, learning objectives, angle of intersection of two tangents. Session outcome: how to find the intersection of two tangents. So, come to the point of angle of intersection of two curves. Let's consider the two curves f1 of theta 1 and f2 of theta 2. So, that intersection is there at that point P, and also we can consider that real line as OA, and to join that intersection point, that's a P to O, and that angle is POA is theta. And now we have to take that first curve, that is f1 of theta. You can take the tangent, that is a pt1, and it makes an angle the terms of opt1, that is f1. And the next curve, that is f2 of theta, we can take the tangent, that is pt2, so that angle is phi2. Okay, so we know that the angle between two intersection curves is the angle between the tangent drawn to the curves at the point of intersection of curves. Let P be the point, you can observe here, intersection of the curves whose equations are r is equal to f1 of theta and r is equal to f2 of theta. Let pt1 and pt2 be the two tangents drawn to the curves r is equal to f1 of theta and r is equal to f2 of theta at P respectively. Let phi1, the terms is, and phi2, here the terms of this one is phi1 and this one is phi2, with the angle made by pt1 and pt2 with radius vector, the terms at P. If alpha is the angle between the curves, then alpha is equal to modulus of phi1 minus phi2. If alpha is equal to 90°, the curves are said to cut orthogonally. In this case, phi1 minus phi2 is equal to pi by 2, or phi1 is equal to pi by 2 plus theta. When I have to apply tan on both these sides, it's a tan phi1 is equal to tan pi by 2 plus phi2, or it can be written as tan of pi by 2 plus phi2 is equal to minus cot phi2. When I have to take in the reciprocal, that cot, that becomes tan, is minus 1 divided by tan phi2. So therefore, tan phi1 is equal to minus 1 by tan phi2. And to cross multiplication, the terms of that is tan phi1 into tan phi2 is equal to minus 1. That is, the tangent is m1 into m2, that's equal to minus 1, where m1 is tan phi1 and m2 is tan phi2. Thus, if two curves cut orthogonally, then the values of r into dr by d theta by dr for the curves will be the negative reciprocal of each other. Next, we can take some problem on this basis. Find the angle between the curves at the points of intersection. The first curve is r is equal to sin theta plus cos theta, and another curve r is equal to 2 sin theta. So, we can take the two separate equations and we can take in differentiating with respect to theta. The first curve, that is r is equal to sin theta plus cos theta. I have to take the differentiating with respect to theta, that is dr by d theta is equal to cos theta minus sin theta. You know the terms of tan phi1 is equal to r into d theta by dr. I have to substitute that value of d theta by dr. Know the value of r is sin theta plus cos theta. You can take the reciprocal of dr by d theta, that is d theta by dr, that is 1 divided by cos theta minus sin theta. we can take in the both the numerator and denominator cos theta as a common factor. That becomes 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. You know the value of sin theta by cos theta, that is tan theta, that is in the numerator. And to take cos theta as a common factor, the remaining term is, that is 1 plus tan theta. Similarly, in terms of the denominator, when I have to take cos theta as a common factor, that is 1 minus sin theta by tan cos theta, that is tan theta. So therefore, there's cos theta get cancelled. The terms of 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta, that can be written as in terms of tan pi by 4 plus theta. So tan get cancelled. The terms of, that is phi1 is equal to pi by 4 plus theta. That is the first curve for angle, the terms of phi1. The second curve, that is r is equal to 2 sin theta. When I have to take the differentiating with respect to theta, that is derivative of sin theta is cos theta. So here also we know that tan phi2 is equal to r into d theta by dr. R is 2 sin theta and d theta by dr is, that is 1 divided by 2 cos theta. 2 get cancelled, that is tan theta. So therefore tan phi2 is equal to tan theta. So it will be cancelled the terms of tan. So therefore phi2 is equal to theta. So therefore the angle between the two curves is alpha is equal to phi1 minus phi2, that is pi by 4 plus theta minus theta. Theta get cancelled, that is pi by 4. Therefore the angle between the two curves is pi by 4. So I take in next problem. Find the angle between the curves at the point of intersection. The first curve is r is equal to a into log theta. The second curve is r is equal to a by log theta. Given the curve r is equal to the first curve a log theta, on the terms of, by using, we can find out what is the terms of theta. Both are r is there. We can both your LHS side, we can equate these two terms, that RHS side, that is a log theta is equal to a by log theta, or the terms of here a get cancelled, that is log, we can take the cross multiplication, that is log theta whole square is equal to 1, which implies log theta is equal to 1 or theta is equal to e. When I have to take exponential on the both this side, so therefore theta is equal to e. So we can, from the first curve r is equal to a log theta, we can take the differentiating with respect to theta, that is dr by d theta is equal to a by theta. So therefore tan, we know that tan phi1 is equal to r into d theta by dr. We know the value of r is a log theta, and the reciprocal of d theta by dr, the terms can be written as, that is theta by a. So here a get cancelled, and also we can substitute the value of, that is theta is equal to e, that is e into log e. Log e base e, that's we know that that's equal to 1. So therefore tan phi is equal to, finally it will get e. So therefore phi1 at first angle, that's equal to tan inverse of e. By using the second one, yes, r is equal to a divided by log theta, taking the differentiating with respect to s, that is theta, that is a dr by d theta is equal to, let's say a is a constant term, this derivative of this one, that is minus a divided by log theta whole square into derivative of the log theta is 1 by theta. So therefore we can substitute in this value, that is tan phi2 is equal to r into d theta by dr. So that's is equal to, we can substitute the value of r and d theta by dr, that is minus a divided by log theta into log theta whole square divided by a into theta. Here a get cancelled, both the numerator and denominator a is there, it will be cancelled, the terms is, and also here log theta whole square, so that is also cancelled. So therefore this term is minus e into log e. Then I have to substitute theta is equal to e. So therefore log e base e, that is 1. So tan phi2 is equal to minus e. So that another angle, that is phi2 is equal to minus tan inverse of e. So therefore, the angle between the curves is alpha is phi1 minus phi2, that is equal to tan inverse of E minus of minus, that is plus terms of tan inverse of E, that is 2 into tan inverse of E, or it can be written as the terms is tan inverse of 2E divided by 1 minus E square. We have to move to the next problem. Show that R is equal to B cuts the curve R square is equal to A square into cos 2 theta plus B square at the angle tan inverse of A square by B square. So what is the first curve? The first curve is a constant term, that is R is equal to B, and the terms is here. When I have to take the square on both the sides, this R square is equal to B square, then equating these two terms, we can find out what is the value of theta. Here B square is equal to A square into cos 2 theta plus B square. B square get cancelled, which implies the terms of A square into cos 2 theta. The terms of A is not is equal to 0. So therefore cos 2 theta is equal to 0, which implies 2 theta is equal to cos inverse of 0. We know the value of cos inverse of 0 is, that is pi by 2. So which implies 2 theta is equal to pi by 2, theta is equal to pi by 4. Now to substitute finally, theta is equal to pi by 4. So from the first equation, R is equal to B is a constant term, and to take the derivative with respect to theta, that is dr by d theta is equal to 0. We know that tan phi1 is equal to R into d theta by dr. So R is B and d theta by dr, that is 1 by 0. So the terms of anything by 0, that should be infinity. So therefore, we know the value of infinity in the terms of tan inverse infinity, that is pi by 2. So the first angle is phi1 is equal to pi by 2. From the consider the second curve, that is R square is equal to A square into cos 2 theta plus B square. Taking the differentiating with respect to theta, that is 2r into dr by d theta is equal to minus 2a square into sine 2 theta dr by d theta is equal to minus a square into sine 2 theta divided by r. The terms is, again the terms of r into d theta by dr is equal to minus r square divided by a square into sine pi by 2 at theta is equal to pi by 4. Therefore tan phi 2 is equal to minus b square divided by a square, or the terms of the minus is there, the terms of minus cot phi 2 is equal to a square by b square. When I have to take in the reciprocal, which implies tan of phi 2 minus pi by 2, it is minus cot phi 2 is equal to a square by b square, or the terms of tan inverse phi 2 is equal to pi by 2 plus tan inverse of a square by b square. So that is the second angle. So therefore angle between the curves, that is equal to alpha is equal to modulus of phi 1 minus phi 2, that is equal to pi by 2 minus pi by 2 minus tan inverse of E. Here pi by 2 get cancelled, that is equal to tan inverse of a by a square by b square. So that is what we have to show that here. Take the next one. Show that the curve r is equal to a of 1 plus cos theta and r is equal to b of 1 minus cos theta curves intersect orthogonally. The first curve we can take it's differentiating with respect to theta, that is dr by d theta is equal to minus a into sine theta. We know that tan phi 1 is equal to r into d theta by dr. So we have to substitute the value of r and d theta by dr. Here r is a into 1 plus cos theta and d theta by dr is minus a sine theta. So by using the half angle formula, this 1 plus cos theta can be written as the terms is 2 cos square of theta by 2, and sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Here a get cancelled, the terms is, so therefore it can be written as the terms of here also 2 get cancelled, so that is 1 cos square is the terms of here cos is get cancelled, the terms is, so which implies the terms is, it can be written as that this one is cot theta, or the terms is cot of theta by 2, because cos theta by sin theta, that becomes cot. So we have that half angle formula is there, that is cot of theta by 2, or it can be rewritten as the terms is, that is tan of pi by 2 plus theta by 2. So tan get cancelled, the first curve is phi1 is equal to pi by 2 plus theta by 2. From the second curve, r is equal to b into 1 minus cos theta. When you are to taking the differentiating with respect to theta, that is equal to b into, so derivative of cos is minus sin, here minus all sin is there, minus into minus plus, so therefore that is b into sin theta. Therefore tan of phi2 is equal to r into d theta by dr. We know the value of r here, that is b into 1 minus cos theta, and d theta by dr, we can take the reciprocal, that is 1 divided by b into sin theta. Here also we are using that half angle formula, the terms of b get cancelled here, 1 minus cos theta can be written as 2 sin square theta by 2, and sin theta can be written as 2 into sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Here 2 and sin theta, sin square theta, the terms is can get cancelled, that is sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2, that is tan theta by 2. Therefore theta 2 is equal to the second angle is theta by 2. So therefore the angle between the curves alpha is equal to phi1 minus phi2, that's equal to pi by 2 plus theta by 2 minus theta by 2, but theta by 2 get cancelled, that is pi by 2. So therefore it's the first one. The next one, you can take some problems on this basis. These are all the problems. And the next one, you can take the multiple choice question. The angle between the radius vector r is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta, and the tangent to the curve is phi is given by, the first option is a pi by 2, the second option is pi by 4, the third option is pi by 3, and the last option is 0. This is the answer is A. The next one, angle of intersection between the two polar curves given by r is equal to a of 1 plus sin theta, and r is equal to a of 1 minus sin theta is given by dash, the terms is option A pi by 3, option B pi by 4, option C pi by 2, option D 0. Answer is C. Next one, angle of intersection between two polar curves given by r is equal to 6 cos theta and r is equal to 2 times 1 plus cos theta is given by option A pi by 3, option B pi by 6, option C pi by 2, and option D 0. Answer is B. The next one, angle of intersection between two polar curves given by r is equal to a and r is equal to a of 1 plus cos theta is given by option A pi by 3, option B pi by 4, option C pi by 2, option D 0. The answer is B. The next one, angle of intersection between two polar curves given by r is equal to a and r is equal to a of 1 plus cos theta is given by pi by 3, option B pi by 4, option C pi by 2, option D pi by 3. Answer is pi by 3. So therefore these are the reference books. The first one is G.K. Rangnath, the textbook of BSc Mathematics. The second one is K.S. Chandrasekhar, Engineering Mathematics. And these two are the reference what we have to refer here. And Thank you for this session.